was take one. Take three. Everybody, come join us. Get covered. It's quick, easy, free. Hey guys, welcome to our channel again. We're hoping that some of this footage could be used. You might actually like what you see and join us on our journey. Hey everyone, sunshine, waves, sand, and sky. Come follow us and watch our YouTube channels. Subscribe. You'll enjoy yourself. Hopefully. You try to. Sometimes. Sometimes not. It's okay. Just come anyway. Good morning everyone. Today I wasn't going to put the camera on, to be honest. I think today we're going to go to Montrose. I'm going to do a series of shorts all in one take and just put my own little spin on it. At the same time, I've not really had an opportunity to get out this week. I started a new job and the hours are just insanely high at the minute, so I haven't been able to get out. But today I think we'll go and have a little walk around Montrose. I've not done that one yet. Just a short walk. As I say, I'm going to do these shorts as well, so I'm going to just stim them. This week I have been putting the final touches to our second full beach walk. So it'll be the first one where we actually are talking, which initially is really scary, but the more and more I do it, the more practice I get at it, hopefully the better I get at it, and then again as well, hopefully you can understand me a bit better. I can be more articulate, start talking. Just, yeah, I'm generally shy, so this gets me out of my comfort zone, puts me in a position I've never really had to be. So let's go with it. But yeah, I've been editing this beach walk 2 all week, and because I had so many clips, it's just become something really, it's taken ages. We haven't got a proper mic set up on the action camera yet, so I tend to record most of the audio on my phone with the microphone and then try and sync it in later on. But that just becomes a nightmare. And on a windy day, you get static sort of noises and everything like this coming through. Maybe I'm just not doing it right, I don't know. We'll just have to see. But yeah, I've been doing all that, so hopefully that'll drop today with that online. That was a little adventure. And then since then I've been up to Seal Bay and Aberdeen and done a morning there. And that was again a collection of footage. It was maybe third outing. Still very nervous, very shy. Yeah, just take these things a step at a time. Alright everybody, we've made it to Montrose Beach. And I gotta say, it's not exactly the sunniest day of the year or the gentlest of winds. Yeah, you know what, I wasn't going to put a camera on there, but I thought we've not done Montrose. St. Cyrus Beach would be a few miles up there. And yeah, as I said, I was in the car coming along with the intention of doing some TikTok shorts just to see what that was like. But yeah, I thought I'd just switch it on because it is peaceful and you never know. The sun might come out. It might come out. So how's everybody doing? I said I've been working all week, so this is the first time I've been out this week. But yeah, it's good just to get out and clear the head, clear the cobwebs. Ready to start a fresh week tomorrow. It's not easy. You know, you struggle with jobs, income, working all the hours you can.
just to get out and get some sunshine and breathe before you got to do it all over again. But we're all in the same boat, aren't we? We're all doing the same thing. Do what makes you happy. That's what we've got to do. I still think with all of that, you need some sort of escape. What the heck is that? You see this? I have no idea what that is. Anyways, let's move on. Now I can see 1, 2, 3 people on the beach that way. Nobody really behind me. So it's another quiet day. Might actually get some vlogs done. Some TikTok shorts. Try anyway. If I can pluck up the courage to put this video out, pluck up the courage to do TikTok shorts. This whole being on camera. You know, some people can do it, it's second nature. Me, it's a part of me that's never came out before. So, and I'm thinking, what happened to my soft shoes stopping me from sinking? Put on weight, that's what it is. Put on weight. Alright, I'm going to go for a minute while we do some more walking, and then I'll come back on. There's the lighthouse over there. Montrose lighthouse. All the ships and stuff that come in to the harbour at that side. I thought the sand dunes were taller here, but there's a huge rocky area, fenced off area up there that I have to climb over to get here. And this is the bit that's next to the golf course. So the main tourist bit's way down that way. So let's concentrate on why we're here. TikTok videos. Oh, shorts, video shorts. Let's see if we can do a few video shorts. Pluck up the courage for that. And then we're coming down this way. What I'm going to do is turn it around. Because really it's my ugly mug that's in the frame all the time. Let's just get that there. You can see what I see. Hey. Big empty beach. But I think I've set the camera up. Got about 50 takes to do. Vlogs. Whatever I can think of. Try and cut this editing time down. Hopefully they'll be funny. I don't take anything too seriously. Oh, but it's bloody warm. That is unnaturally warm for here. Yeah. Really unnaturally warm. Right. So, ready to start some vlogging? I think I've warmed up now. Gonna be using the field video as a warm up to do shorts. It's quite weird, really. But I don't know how the hell I'm going to do them in this weather either. It's too windy. It's literally blowing sand up the beach. You know? What's it? I've just got on. It's gorgeous and sunny. Not a cloud in the sky. See? Loads of clouds in the sky. Anyways, I think about here. We're going to do some. I came up quite far. Don't want to walk all the way to inside of this. That would defeat the purpose of our second video. Right, but is there a shelter point here? Really? Not really. So let's go up here, start some videos. Oh, Jesus. Well, I don't even know if the camera's going to stand up in this. Anyway, guys. Well, back again. On the way back now. We done it. We tried to get as much out as we could. Overcoming hurdles and fears, things like that. Plus, pretty much all unscripted. I had like a couple of prompts on my phone, maybe half a dozen. That was it. So, yeah. Hey ho. Suppose the can of energy drink beforehand did help. But yeah, we better start walking back because I think it's going to pour down. I don't know what we saw in the water though. It looked like something was definitely out swimming. I don't know if we'll pick that up on camera later or not, but it was definitely there. No idea what's happening. I think it's been out about an hour, something like that. Yeah, it's a nice walk. Nice peaceful walk. There's no sort of cave explorations or masses of seals to see, but still, nice walk. Yeah. I really hope we don't get raided out. It's starting to look that way though. Starting to look that way. Waves are coming in fast. Got a bit of walking to do before we get to where we were. May actually be better if we can get up, but I don't know where we can get up, that's the thing. Oh, maybe up there. 100 metres up. Good when we get up onto where the golf course there is. Be an easier walk. I don't want to say that doing this is like it. It helps put things in perspective. You know? Crab shells. Yeah, definitely helps. Helps me, I suppose a lot of it's for our own health and well-being. You gotta see these. You gotta have time to reflect. Take time out for yourself. Go away, think about things. Think about what you want to do. I think I've just done that journey. Whether it's the right decisions or the wrong decisions, that doesn't really matter. I think it's just the fact that you do these things. No one ever makes 100% right decisions. It's okay to be wrong. But we just got to carry on with life and make it as good as we can. Whether it's good now or good later, whether you're saving for something or you just got a dream, chase it, follow it. It's my best advice I can give anybody. Do what you want to do. Don't let nothing stop you. I mean, now at my age, I think now I just want some peaceful, happy times like this. Beach walking, different locations. And to make sure that we're stable at home financially. But like many of these guys, we've all got dreams. We've all got aspirations. So let's see where these ones go. Hopefully in a couple of years, we'll have a few journeys under our belt and we'll have a few videos stocked up. And worst case scenario, I've got hell of a lot of videos for the kids when they grow up to see what dad was like on his stupid beach balls. Yeah, the more I go on these walks, the more I find myself just reflecting on things. Chasing anything that isn't impossible. What I am just chasing is relax, peace, stress-free, worry-free, that sort of life. We never know what's going to happen tomorrow, the day after, 6 months' time. We're going to start living for now, living for the moment, enjoying the moment. So at least once a week now I'm going to be out, taking that time to just enjoy, see things. So yeah, it's time to slow down, enjoy it, wherever it may be, here, somewhere else, doesn't matter. Completely irrelevant. The fact that you take the time. Anyway, I've been rambling on. Lost my about to run out of battery. Let's get bigger batteries for instance. This is an Insta360 Ace Pro, the first one. My first main action camera, really. I did have an old GoPro 4. So I've not done much in the way of action. I've not done much in the way of photography or anything, or talking. I'm an engineer, right? So, yeah. But yeah, anyway. Insta Ace 360 Pro. Insta 360 Ace Pro. Anyway. Ended up buying a mic. That's a mic. Boya, I think it is. Thinking it was Bluetooth to the. No. Well, I can see anyway. So I'm after a microphone setup. Obviously something that doesn't cost the earth because I don't have the earth to spend. And these things are hobby things at the minute. But hey, we shall see what happens. Let's see if we can get up somewhere. Guys. Anyway, if you like this video, if I post it, please like, give us a follow, subscribe. Some of you used to looking at the camera there, not here, which I'm doing. Yeah. Anyway, good talking to you all. Probably uploading more than what I need to, but that's just the way the thing go. Alright, see you later. Thanks again. Bye bye.
Take. Oh, I don't know. I think we've had enough takes.